In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for content creation. Notion is a versatile tool that's perfect for organizing everything from your daily tasks to extensive business projects. Here, we'll focus on how you can use it effectively for content creation, whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or someone simply looking to organize creative ideas. This tutorial will walk you through the basics. Let's start by setting up a database dedicated to your content ideas. Think of this as your central hub, a place where you'll store all your inspirations, making it easy to organize your thoughts and ideas. To create this database, open Notion and select the option to create a new page, then choose the database layout that suits your style. I often recommend starting with a simple table. You can always change this later, but a table is a great way to visualize and sort information. Next, you'll want to add specific properties to your database to better categorize and organize your content. Essential properties to include are title, status, platform, and deadline. The title is straightforward. It's the name of your content piece. Under status, you can customize it to track your content stages, such as idea, draft, review, and published. Platform allows you to tag where each piece will ultimately be published. This could be a blog, Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform you're targeting. The deadline property helps you keep track of when you aim to complete each task, keeping you accountable and helping you to prioritize your workload. Now that you've got your database set up, let's look at how you can visualize this information in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Notion offers both calendar and board views that are incredibly useful for content planning. The calendar view is particularly handy for mapping out deadlines, giving you a clear visual timeline of when each piece is due. Meanwhile, the board view, which operates like a Kanban board, offers a fantastic way to track the progress of your projects through every stage. You can effortlessly drag and drop tasks from one stage to the next, enhancing both organization and productivity. Lastly, let's talk about how you should track each stage of content production. Tracking is crucial because it not only helps in identifying where you are in your process, but also in ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. As you work on each piece of content, update its status in your database. This habit will not only give you a clear view of your current workload, but also provide a sense of accomplishment as you move tasks to completion. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Notion for content creation. By setting up a detailed database, defining clear categories, and utilizing the calendar and board views, you'll streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Happy creating!